In this video, we are going to use some of the inspect workbook options. We first will check for accessibility issues and fix any, as well as remove any hidden worksheets that the workbook has. Um, so let's start by going to File, Info. Under Check for Issues, we'll choose Check Accessibility. So this is going to help people with disabilities be able to see what content is in the workbook. So we'll notice where it says errors, it says missing alternative text. So go ahead and choose that. It's telling us it's on picture 8 on the sales report tab. So let's choose that. We want to add a description. This will open the alternative text box. So this is where we just describe what this image is showing. So we can just say this is image of a sales report. Go ahead and close that box and it automatically saves. You'll see it also says warnings. We're going to ignore that. The instructions did not tell us anything about that. And again, we do not want to do anything extra outside of what our instructions are telling us for the exam. So go ahead and close accessibility. Back to the file info tab. We'll go under check for issues once more. This time we're going to inspect the document. This helps check and remove any hidden or sensitive information. So once you choose that, go ahead and click yes and hit inspect. Okay, we'll notice the first thing it flags is document properties and personal information. Us adding ourselves as an author, that's personal identifying information. Say we were assigning this to somebody and we want to remove all of that, we could just hit remove all. But we're more concerned with hidden worksheets. That's what the instructions told us. So we scroll down, we see it says it found 2 hidden worksheets. So let's just hit remove all and we can close this window.